Enerlites provides a versatile range of timers tailored to various needs, from basic countdown timers to advanced programmable and astronomic models. Built with precision and durability, these timers ensure reliable performance in any residential setting. All Enerlites timers are UL listed, guaranteeing safety and quality, and are designed for easy installation, fitting seamlessly into standard wall plates. By automating lighting and electrical devices, our timers promote energy savings and enhance efficiency. Enerlites countdown timers are ideal for controlling lights, fans, and other devices for specific periods, automatically shutting them off after a set duration. This feature is particularly useful in spaces like bathrooms and garages, where lights might otherwise be left on, helping to reduce energy consumption. With intuitive controls and easy installation, these timers offer a straightforward solution for energy management, ensuring long-term reliability and cost savings. Enerlites programmable timers allow for advanced control over your devices, letting you set custom schedules that fit your daily routine. Whether it's turning on exterior lights at sunset or managing indoor lights during specific hours, these timers offer flexibility and convenience. The digital interfaces make setting and adjusting schedules easy, and added features like vacation mode enhance home security. Like all Enerlites products, these timers are built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and ease of use. Enerlites astronomic timers are the ultimate solution for energy-efficient lighting control. These timers automatically adjust your lighting schedules based on local sunrise and sunset times, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications, they provide a set-it-and-forget-it solution, maximizing energy savings by ensuring lights operate only when needed. Enerlites timers, whether countdown, programmable, or astronomic, offer high-quality, ease of installation, and energy-saving benefits. They are designed to be user-friendly and fit seamlessly into any setup, making them an ideal choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. For more information on selecting the right timer for your needs, visit Enerlites.com.